In question number 11, we're going to start by graphing, and we see an E. Now, E is called Euler's number, and you're going to learn more about it next year with natural logs, but it's a very important number in mathematics, and it's often used to model real-life scenarios. So I'm going to type in exactly what I see. 3 E. Now I got to raise it to the x power. So I come down here, I click the keyboard, I'm going to raise it to the x. I do have to hit the tab key to bring it back down, and then subtract 2. Okay, so I have a picture here. Everybody can see this picture of this graph, all right? And now I'm going to answer some questions about this. So number 1 says the function represents exponential decay. So decay means from left to right it's going down, but we can see from left to right it's rising. So that's a false statement. It is not decay, it's growth. B says the function contains one y-intercept and no x. Well, there is one y-intercept, but there's also one x. So again, B says the function contains one y and no x. So it's a false statement because there's actually one of both, one x and one y. Part C says the function contains a horizontal asymptote of x equals 2. So it's important you pay real close attention here. So if you type in x equals -2, just like you see, remember we can click here on the color. Oops, sorry, I'm doing the wrong thing. Click here on the little tool icon, and then you can come over here and make this dotted to represent. Okay, that is not the case. That's not an asymptote. Asymptotes get closer and closer to that imaginary boundary line. Now, if I would have put a y there, now notice how that's correct. So, yes, there's an asymptote, but it's not x equals -2, it's y equals -2. Again, C is false. D talks about the end behavior in using words. So, as we approach positive infinity, so as I go to the far right, the function approaches positive infinity. That's true, it's headed up. As I approach negative infinity, which is way over here, the function approaches 0. No, it doesn't approach 0. It is approaching -2 for a y value. Also a false statement. The last part of question 11 is the function contains a y-intercept of 0, 3. Let's check. It's not 0, 3, it is 0, 1.